Investing using the buy, borrow, die strategy versus not using it. Meet Alex and Jamie. They both invest their money in M1 Finance. They buy assets on a regular basis and let their portfolio grow over time. When Alex's portfolio reaches $2,000, he unlocks low-interest borrowing through M1. He uses that borrowed money to buy more assets, which helps his portfolio grow faster. He pays a small amount of interest each month. Jamie only invests his own money, so his portfolio grows more slowly. They both receive monthly dividends, but Alex earns more because his portfolio is bigger. They both pay taxes on the dividends, but Alex still comes out ahead thanks to the extra compounding. Alex also borrows to fund his expenses, keeping his entire portfolio invested and growing. But when Jamie needs cash for expenses, he sells assets, which triggers taxes and shrinks his portfolio. What if the market crashes? Alex knows that during a market crash, assets are basically on sale, so he buys more either with his own money or through borrowing. How much should Alex borrow? M1 shows Alex's borrowing health so he can see if he's borrowing responsibly and staying within safe limits. When does Alex pay back the loan? He does not need to pay it back during his lifetime. When Alex dies, his portfolio gets a step up in basis, wiping out all unrealized capital gains. The borrowed amount is paid off, and the rest goes to his heirs tax-free. When Jamie dies, his portfolio also gets a step up in basis. But because he sold assets over time and paid taxes, his portfolio is much smaller, so his heirs receive less money. So how would you like to invest your money? The strategy you choose can make a huge difference over time.